Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restarting or rebooting your Sony Bravia or other Android Smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your TV is freezing or not working correctly, you should try to reboot it to see if that fixes the problem before you try other steps. Start by hitting the home button on your remote. From the home screen of your TV, go to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click About. In the About menu, click Restart, and then click Restart again on the pop-up. Your TV will now begin the rebooting process. This took about 2 to 3 minutes for me. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.